Good morning, all. I welcome you all for the next lecture series. In the series, we are going to see the hydropower plant working. So, anybody remember the last class which topic we are discussed? Yes, this how many power plants are around in Tamil Nadu and how much of power they are generated, the capacity of generator we are discussed, and how many power plants are how many power plants are available around Tamil Nadu? Yes, five power plants are available. So one is Bhavani. I think the total capacity of Bhavani is 90 megawatt, and for the Kadambari is 400 megawatt, and Metur, anyone? As it is 240, very good. And for the Kunda, they are generating 585 megawatt, and also for Moyer, 750 megawatt, they are generated. And these informations we have discussed in the last class. So now we're going to see the hydropower plant working. So for the last class itself, I showed this diagram for the Kunda power plant. And normally we are locate the hydropower plant near the hill areas. And it consists of a dam, that is the turbine. What is the purpose of turbine we are using? Yes, it converts one form of energy into mechanical energy. Very good. So here we are using one form input energy is the water, which converts into electrical energy. We can say its kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, right? So first we have to see the components of power system. That is, I'm sorry, components of hydropower plant. So what are the components it has? See the diagram inside. Yes, reservoir, dam, surge tank, and pressure tunnel, and valve house, gate and power house, and draft tube. So normally a reservoir contains the water, it stores the water. So through the dam, we are send the water through the, and see this diagram also. Here one more thing is available here. Surge tank is also shown in the last picture itself, and the penstock and valve before we are using the turbine, which shows in this diagram. So reservoir already I told you, which stores the huge amount of sufficient amount of water, and through reservoir dam, through the dam we are flow the water to the turbine. Already we are mentioned turbine is converted into mechanical energy, and mechanical energy converted into electrical energy through the generator. So now the water is flow through the penstock. So what is meant by penstock? Penstock carries the water, and through the penstock the water is flow to the turbine. And another component is there. So that we call it as the surge tank. Surge tank is control the volume of water through the penstock. So, for example, if you are not needed more number of demand, if demand is less compared to a few previously, so now not needed to produce that much of energy. So, but that water tank flow water is high. If pressure is increased in the penstock, it may be damage the penstock. So, in this time, the remaining water is stored into the surge tank. Suppose we need a more kilowatt to generate based on the demand. So surge tank also helps to flow the water to the turbine to increase the electricity. So then the another one is the power house. Is also one of the component in power house consists of generator, transformer, from transformer to transmission line. So a generator, we know that it converts electrical energy and it is coupled with the turbine, and after that it is transferred to the transformer. It generate it step up the voltage and it serve to the transmission line. And one more component is here. This tail race. Tail race is it is a river. Tail race after usage of water turbine, the water will be remaining water will be flowed to the tail race. So I think this is the component which consists in the hydropower plant. So if you all have any doubt, can you ask? All right. So one more thing, we have to see the advantage and disadvantages of hydropower plant. So advantages is rainwater is kept in the dam. As a result, it is uh, degrade as a renewable energy source. And dam construction aids the irrigation local frame while also adding the flood management. And the generating power produces no pollution, and operating cost is quite minimum. So these are the advantages of hydropower plant. Along with this, disadvantages is hydropower plant facility is required large investment that we are discussed in the previous classes. So large investment is needed with a low return of rate of return. And for the dams are only permitted in the specific places. So large portion of farmland is underwater. So these are the disadvantages of hydropower plant. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, then we'll quit the session. Thank you all. See you in the next class.